Assalamualaikum, you are watching Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install LocalSend on your Windows 11 PC. So you can share files for free between Windows, Mac, Linux, Android and iPhone without using cables or the internet. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. First, open your web browser. Now, search for LocalSend. Open the official LocalSend website. Then click on the download button. Here select Windows. You will see two options. Choose the exe installer if you want to install LocalSend on your PC, or if you prefer to use it without installing, choose the portable version instead. For this tutorial, I'll be using the exe installer. The installer will now start downloading automatically. Click Save. And here you can see that the installer is downloading now. Now double click to open it. Choose Install for all users. Give the permission. Press Yes. Choose the language you want. I'm choosing English. Pressing Yes. Now click on the next button. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, check this and click Next. And finally click on this install button to install it. Now if you want to launch it, then check this box and click Finish. Now click on this Allow button. And here you go. So this is the LocalSend app currently installed in your Windows 11 PC. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.